Still got it. 안녕하세요 from Korea. Welcome to Next Matchup. I've lived in Korea almost half my life and I love cooking Korean food. This right here, it's a tangerine, 귤. So many tangerines. So we've got a bunch of these from a friend and I'm going to use them to make jelly. You can cook along with me as we do. Let's begin. Pro tip for you guys here, when you're dealing with citrus fruits in any recipes like citrus jelly or tangerine jelly, start by zesting it lightly. Now we want to lightly zest this, and what that's going to do is add a ton of flavor. There's a lot of citrus flavor for oranges or lemons or tangerines in this case that is contained in the peel. And when you lightly zest it, you get a lot of that flavor out that you'd miss otherwise. The next step is, of course, to peel it, get rid of the peel, and get ready to start juicing. I've got about 8, maybe 7 or 8 tangerines here. It should make about 400 mils of juice, but if you're a little off here and there, that's the best way. It's got all that pulp in it, and that's alright because we're going to strain it out. You want all that juice in there, so get your spoon and just keep stirring it until the juice has all gone down into the container below. And when you see the juice there, it's so good. Look at all that pulp we're getting out. That's not adding any flavor, but everything below in the bowl, oh, that's a ton of flavor. And remember, we've got zest in the bowl already. So when you mix it and stir it in like this, it's mixing with the zest, it's mixing with the oils that are also contained because we zested in the bowl. Pour it into your pot. You're gonna put this on the heat later, but just for now, just mix it up so all the sugar has dissolved into the juice, and then it can sit there while you prepare your gelatin sheets. Of course, you can also prepare the gelatin sheets first because they need to sit for about 10 minutes, maybe even a little bit longer depending. But the idea is you just want them to get a bit softer. Makes it easier for them to dissolve into the mixture. Squeeze out the excess water. I mean, it doesn't really matter. The tangerine juice has a lot of water in it anyway. But you're just getting rid of that because if you add a lot of extra cold water to your tangerine juice, it won't taste as good. Put the gelatin in your pot with your juice and then cook it on a low heat until the gelatin is dissolved. Maybe just a little bit longer after that so you're sure that all the gelatin is incorporated into the juice. And then it's ready to put into whatever bowl or container you plan to serve it in or how you plan to present it. So if you want to have people eating out of a bowl, if you want to eat it out of a bowl, you just put it in whatever bowl you want. If you want to flip it over and then make like a nice jelly shape, which I'm going to do, you can think about the shapes of the bowls. That's why I'm putting in that cup. I think that cup will make a good shape. And let's see how it turned out. So after overnight or about 6 to 8 hours, it should have set, which means it becomes jelly. Run a chopstick around the side of it and then shake it. And when you find it should come out really nice. Look at that. Beautiful looking shape, and there's the one that you can see on the screen first is actually the one I used with the coffee cup. It looked really nice, and I'm even going to serve that in a bowl that I can just eat with a spoon. The consistency was perfect and the taste was amazing. That zest, I think, really changes it. It makes sure that you're really getting those tangerine flavors you want, because you don't want bland jelly, or you're just eating gelatin. No one wants that. Hope you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and have a great day. 안녕히 계세요.